Welcome to another class of our Beginners Cuban Salsa Steps course. In this class, we'll cover two new elements. Let's start straight away. The first step, it will be step in a spot. During the review of the last class when we danced with the music, we already danced it, but we never explained it. Dancing in a spot is important. It proves that you can control your own weight. At the beginning, it's very easy to shift your weight when you keep moving, when you change your position. It's very difficult to do when you try to stay in one place but feel that the weight is moving from one leg to another. Now, moving weight from one leg to another is one issue. Second is to make it looking decent. And this is what we are going to concentrate on. Okay, so first of all, let's think about feet. We are going left, right, left, right, left, right. And the rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. And 5, front and back, and 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. So we've done an episode about upper body movement, how rib cage and arm are moving together with the leg and hip is going opposite direction. If you haven't watched that, in cards in here, I will add this episode. If you already know the rules, try to add upper body action on top of your legs. 5, 6, 7, spot, cheeky, cheeky, pum, and cheeky, cheeky, kukum, and cheeky, cheeky, kum, front and back. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. One more time, spot. 5, 6, 7, and king, king, cuckoo, and king, king, cuckoo, king, king, cuckoo, and front and back, cuckoo. This step is important for many reasons. One of them is that music slows down and speeds up, not in a tempo, but in feel. Sometimes you have an impression that, oh, there's nothing happening in the music. And it's not very correct to keep going with crazy moves and steps during this time. So these are moments when you want to not slow down in the tempo, but slow down with your body. The moments when you can just start feeling the music and enjoying it, and enjoying dancing with your partners when we go back to partner works. This is step number 1. Step number 2, charanga. Very simple step. We are starting with the left leg. We open to the left, then we close. We open to the right and close, and left, close, and right, and close. 8 beats in total. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Front. 1, 2, 3. Charanga and cuckoo, puku. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop and 1, 2, 3. Charanga one more time and kum piki, kum piki, kum piki, kum and piki. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. We would like you to clap also on 2, 4, 6, and 8. So when we are closing legs, kum piki, kum piki, kum piki, kum and piki. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. This is purely for coordination. We would like you to coordinate with your body, but also coordinate with the music. 2, 4, 6, and 8, they are upbeats in the music. They are the beats that we normally feel a bit less. Yeah? Normally people are very used to downbeats, so 1, 3, 5, 7. So now we want you to accent the opposite beats and start feel something happening in there. Cuban music does support these beats very, very strongly, so it is important to start feeling them. Music. Let's start with basic, side, side, 5, 6, 7, and cheeky, cheeky left, cheeky, cheeky right, and cheeky, cheeky left. Cheeky, cheeky right, and cheeky, cheeky left, and spot, 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 and kum, kum, kiki, kum, kum, cuckoo, kum, kum, kiki, front and back, go and pang, and spot again, kum, 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 and front, go and pang, pang, tiki, pa, pang, and charanga, side and clap, hop. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Charanga, hop, hop. This step works a very funny way if we combine it with Mambo Cubano. So Mambo Cubano, up, and Charanga. It feels quite odd, yeah? In Mambo Cubano, you're accenting exactly opposite beats. One more time, Mambo Cubano. And Charanga, go, and hop. And all other steps, left turn, double right, and two flat. And front and back. Double right turn. Mambo Cubano. And front. Basic side. Left turn. And basic front. Cross front and back. And cross and slide. And front. Charanga. 3, 2, 1. Mambo Cubano. And spot, spot, spot. And front. And right turn. And hook turn. Exhibela. That's it for this episode. It was good. If you would like to see more, remember to subscribe, press the bell, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and you can become a patron of our channel. All links in the description below. See you later. Bye bye.